Hey y'all, Merry Christmas and welcome back to the garage. I wasn't going to do a video this week, but we got some parts in, and it's actually the day after Christmas. They came in today, so yeah, let's get a video done and show you what parts we got in for this giveaway tractor engine. Alright y'all, got our box here. It's from Little Red Barn. They're on eBay. I've used parts from them before, so let's see if we can get this box open and show you what all parts we got here. So lots of packing, lots of packing, lots of packing. All right, first thing we got is the piston. It is a standard piston, Kohler K301 size, standard size, Little Red Barn. So got that. We got new valves, 2 new valves. Got a condenser, points. Yeah, that's it for. Oh, and a spark plug, which we won't use that spark plug. We may not even use those points. And we got ourselves a brand new connecting rod. So get this out of the box here. Yep, brand new connecting rod there. That's the part number. And I have used this company before in the past, and they provide for some pretty good parts. So let's open this piston up. Let's see what we got going on with it. There's our instructions. Got all of our rings, and even the piston's packed real well. There's that, and our piston. See, and it's a standard size piston because we did measure it, and it's standard. So awesome, cool. You know, put all that stuff back in the box, and let's go over here. I do have the engine back here. Sorry about that. We do have the block back here at the home shop. New connecting rod, new used connecting rod from Scott. Thank you very much. I'm going to get it polished up. We'll get it dropped in. We'll get the rings end gapped. But yeah, I've been just kind of waiting for parts to come in from eBay, and I also got parts coming from I think Amazon. I got a fuel pump. So we're going to run a manual fuel pump on it. So yeah, block cleaned up, really nice. Got the nice cross hatching in there. I got to run it's dusty on the inside there. I got to run a cleaner through it. So yeah, hopefully tomorrow, which will be Saturday, I'm going to start reassembling this thing, and we'll get it back together. And here's the head we're going to use. It's off the other block. Got to get it cleaned up, but yeah. So all right, well, all right, y'all. There's more parts in this, or more presents in this box. I forgot about the gasket kit. Let's see this. Oh, that's my order number. That's my order confirmation. Just to check your box. And so yeah, we got the full gasket kit too. Head gaskets, all the gaskets, oil pan gaskets, the shims for the side covers, gasket for the side covers, intake gaskets, or a fuel pump gasket. Just all got the crank seals in here too. Yeah, crank seals are in there. Everything's in there. So yeah, All right, there. Now we're done unboxing. So, all right, y'all. That's going to be the short video for this week. I just want to, say thank you to everybody that watches and supports the channel. And, without you guys, I wouldn't be putting this out on video. I'd just be doing it and getting her done. But, we've had an amazing year. Didn't hit the goal of 6,000 subs, but we did hit over 5,000. That's awesome. Appreciate it. Appreciate y'all's continued support. Without you guys, like I said, none of this would be out there on the internet. I'd still be doing it, but I just, like I said, I wouldn't be videoing it. So I just want to thank everybody, the channel members, everybody, that just watches the videos. I do truly appreciate it. Looking forward to 2026. Hopefully it's going to be a good year. We're gonna try to get the Big V twin done yet this winter after we get this tractor here done. I gotta build an intake manifold for it, and a few other odds and ends. I'll put the piston and rings back in it, seal it up, and then build the intake for it. I don't know what carburetor I'm going to use. I don't know if I'm going to use a methanol carburetor, which I probably should, or if I just put a gas carburetor on it. I do have a gas carburetor. It's not your standard K series, but it is a carburetor. So it was actually on plan B when we bought it, but when we changed it over to methanol, I took it off. But anyways, I'm rambling. Appreciate y'all. Love y'all. Hope to see you New Year's Eve. We're going to do a little live stream New Year's Eve like we have in the past few years. And Merry Christmas, and catch y'all on the next one. As you can see, it's kind of cold out here. So, all right. Talk to y'all later.